Hi, it's Pastor Ken from Northminster Presbyterian Church, and glad you could join us today on Friday. If you're looking at this devotional video on Fridays, we take a little break from our Presbyterian mission calendar scriptures, and we give a little teaser about the sermon and what's coming up this Sunday. And we've been looking at a series called The Ripple Effect, looking at some scriptures that talk about how the reach principles that we've been talking about, and our reach prayer card, which involves listing those people that God has put on your front row, and then praying for them, investing in them, inviting them, and then preparing yourself to share a gospel and be a witness for the gospel. And when we do that, we're told that we have a ripple effect. Like you throw a stone into a pond, you get ripples, or if you've ever stacked up dominoes and you push one, you know that the other dominoes start to fall. This Sunday, we're looking at an interesting scripture from the book of Nehemiah. Nehemiah was a prophet in the Old Testament, around the 4th, 5th century in there. And he's learned that the gates of his city, of his people, Judah, have been destroyed. And he has a very important position with the king. And he asks the king if he can go back and repair the gates of the city. And so we're going to be looking at what that means for Nehemiah to go back to repair those gates, what it means for Nehemiah, what it means for this king, and what it'll mean for the people of God who can return. And I think it's going to be an interesting time on Sunday, because sometimes when we think of a gate, we simply think of a place that you enter in and out. But gates of a city back then were much more than that. So I hope that you will join us this Sunday as we look at that scripture and we look at how you can be a ripple effect, a positive ripple effect in the lives of others. I hope you have a great day. Be safe and be well.